Hey guys, so I'm going to try to repair my son's Nintendo Switch today. I got this in the mail. It's really expensive to get it done, but you can order a pack like this for like 60 bucks, 50 bucks, 60 bucks online. I got it on Amazon and it comes with this. I guess this is the very top film. It's plastic. And then this is the screen itself. And this is the hard part. And it gives you all these little tools. So I watched a YouTube video on it, and apparently the first thing you do is take this part of it off, and they suggest heating it up with the heat gun, which I do not have, or someone had like a heat pad that they put on it, which I guess I could be clever and figure that out. I guess I might have to if this doesn't work, but I do already have an in because the corner got really messed up. So it's actually working. Let's see. It's popping off on its own, so thank goodness for that. I was actually racking my brain on how I was gonna do that. And I'm actually curious, I might not have to replace the screen. It might just be this plastic top piece. That would be really amazing.
Oh yeah. Also, Mommy, the glass screen,
Mm-hmm.
Guess what?
What?
The plastic protected the glass screen, but the plastic kind of didn't go too well.
Oh my gosh. I don't think it's broken.
Mommy, can I take that? I'll throw it in the garbage.
Yes. I don't think that part's broken, so let me turn it on. I didn't. Oh my gosh. I don't think it's broken at all.
Yeah, it is not, guys.
So I might just clean that up and put it on there. I was going, not even the corners. The corner looked busted. I was gonna take this to a place and pay 150 bucks.
Yeah.
And you saw how cracked it looked in the beginning, and now look at that. Just for taking that piece off, look. Wow. It's perfect. I'm gonna clean it up real quick. Let me see.
Yeah,
get in the picture.
Awkward place. Awkward.
It's the video.
Awkward place.
Caleb, get in the picture.
I'm right now.
Look how clean that gets. No, you gotta stop it. Okay, so I got it all cleaned up. And as you can see, it wasn't actually damaged. It looked really bad. But it was just this piece. This is the new piece, which I'm actually going to return all of this because this was 50 bucks. And I thought I needed it. And once I opened it, you can see it doesn't need it. So I'm going to return this. It's the great part about buying it on Amazon is you can return it. And I bought this. So instead of the plastic piece, I'm going to put this tempered glass on it. And so now it's a different type of video. I was nervous because if it was actually the screen, you have to take it, you have to like unscrew the entire back and start taking pieces out of it to unplug the screen from the circuit board and then lift it, replace it, tie the plug back in, plug it back in, and then put the pieces back. And I'm not an electrician. I'm not, that requires finesse and skill to be able to put electronics together and use the tiny little screwdrivers and tools and stuff, and I'm just not. Okay, so this comes with a dust remover, which I just cleaned it. So it shouldn't be that difficult. And I actually got 2 of them, so. If one of you see this and need a glass protector for your, I got one for you. So that's what the glass protector looks like. you take this. This is just to clean it. It's a dust removal, sanitation, remove oil, quick dry. Now I already cleaned it with a wipey. I know I have wipey still because once you go past that stage of being a mom, you don't need them anymore. You realize that they're super useful anyway, so you keep them. It smells like alcohol. It's like a little alcohol swab. There's the wet one. Here's the dry one, which this is a really nice material because it has no links. That way it's perfect when you put it on there. My God. This is gonna be like brand new and all I had to do was take that plastic piece off. Now let's make sure I do this correctly. When you take this piece off, please peel off this mask before application. This doesn't come with directions. I hope I put this on the right way. Okay. Oh my gosh. I don't know if you guys can see this. It's in my lap. You have the tabs. And oh my goodness. I don't know if you guys can see, the bubble is just disappearing. Look at that. Oh my goodness, it's still there. Okay, how do I do that? Okay, take the dry one.
Mommy, can you close this for me?
Hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on. Do I just massage it out? I have 2 bubbles. The rest of it went on perfect.
Oh, clicked it. Oh no, I got blue paint on me.
Oh no! How do I massage the bubbles out? You see the bubbles? Uh-oh. Do I need to pick it back up before it cements? Don't break, don't break. Oh, I'm so glad there's 2 of them.
Is one of the biggest YouTube channels, I believe the 2nd or 3rd biggest.
Okay.
And it's all just a big
See
kids
if I
channel.
can.
Post a bunch of kids cartoons. I'm sure if you have little kids in your family, they watch this crap all the time. I know I do.
Oh no, now it's worse.
This channel has 120 million subscribers, and today we're going to be looking at their channel in the past. Because there's actually some really interesting history with it. Like, look at all these old videos on their channel.
Oh man. I don't know, guys. How do you get those out? Do you just massage? Let me massage for a little while. Let's see if I can. And it's fixed. Woo! Oh, let's see. What were you doing on here? Oh, okay. Ah! Perfect screen.
Mommy, give me the Nintendo Switch.
There you go. And it's done. Yay! So I hope you guys enjoyed. I know it wasn't as technical. I'm actually relieved it's not as technical, but that is how you check your screen and see that it's not always as bad as you think. I'm Charlotte's Oasis. If you'd like to see more, please subscribe, like my video if you've gotten this far, and you guys have a great day. Bye.